Hey guys, welcome back to Sharing It. WhatsApp has launched a new application, WhatsApp Business. So let's see how is this application. I'm Ujjwal Tripathi, you're watching Sharing It. Please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button for more awesome tech videos and kindly press the bell icon too and try to watch the full video. A new version of WhatsApp has been hit to the Google Play stores named WhatsApp Business. It is mainly invented for small businesses to communicate with their customers. The key feature of this application is that WhatsApp adds your email address, your shop address, and shop timings to your profile. It also gives you smart messaging tools and quick replies to your customers. This application will really boost your business. It is launched in only some countries, but it will be available to all the countries really soon. For those who want to use two different numbers, one for WhatsApp Business and one for their personal stuff, but on the same mobile, WhatsApp has also some stuff for them. They can use this application and run their personal life and run their business life on the same application. So you can use the two numbers on WhatsApp Business, one for business stuff and one for personal stuff. WhatsApp Business will also work with WhatsApp Web. It is a web client of WhatsApp. You can try the application by yourself by clicking the link below given in the description. But if only you are in those 5 countries where it has been rolled out. WhatsApp told in a post that it will roll out this application in remaining countries very soon. Considering that over 80% of India and Brazil businesses use WhatsApp for their daily stuffs. So WhatsApp may be hinting that they're really soon gonna launch this application in India. That's it guys in this video. Have you liked this application? Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video and comment down below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.